Good morning, TYB family. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And right now we're on our way to a little evening car meet. You know what I'm saying? It's a little later than normal. Normally these things are pretty early in the morning. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and continue the progress on the Supra's body kit because I miss Susie and I need it to be done. It's been like 3 weeks without Susie, and the bomb's been doing her job, but the bomb also has been failing. I didn't put the skid plate back on, so it's scraping like crazy. Yeah, but the bomb is getting us where we need to go. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go to the car meet, see some cool cars, and then continue to work on the body kit. If you guys are excited for Susie's body kit just like me, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family. We lit over here. Let's go. I think she's out of gas. Alright y'all, had to grab the essentials for the G because she needed gas. This car is so needy, it always needs something, but she's always gonna get the best. It's so hot outside, y'all. It's like 100 and some degrees. This California heat, I know there's places that get hotter than this, but this shit still ain't no joke. Alright y'all, we officially made it. The bomb didn't blow up. Thankfully, she is still not living up to her name. In the parking lot, there's some pretty cool little cars here in the parking lot. Hopefully in the show there's some a little bit better, but we got a little Type R right here, a little 86. My guy with the fat wing right there. I fuck with you because you know what you're doing, you know what you're talking about. Celsius, sponsor me. It's not a bad turnout. I see some NSXs over there. This little BRZ or something, the cool color. But for us being in the middle of nowhere, it's a pretty good turnout. This Type R right here, actually fire. Big intercooler up front, carbon hood. This color is clean. And that wing, nice. What if we did the Infinity in this color? I feel like that would look fire. Look at this Jim poking out in the corner. We seen him at the last Cars and Coffee. He comes out to most of them. And I posted a reel of this car of him pulling up. And some of y'all was disappointed for some reason. I don't know what y'all was expecting in that reel, but it's always good to see this Susie, this Soupy, with that fat turbo. One day we'll get like him. This STI's clean though. These wheels are so fire. If I ever get an R33 GTR, these are the wheels that I want to put on it. I'd even put these wheels on the Infinity. I think they look good. For some reason, I don't know what it is about them. They just look good. This car right here, it kind of matches the vibe of where we're at, if you can't tell. If you ever played like Red Dead Redemption, that's what I feel like I'm at right now. But finally, this is what I'm talking about. We got my boys Liberty Walk R35 GTR, super clean. Love it. This guy has everything pretty much done to it, and it shoots crazy flames. And his wife's wide body CA, or I don't know whose car is who, but I know their husband and wife. And this thing is player. I don't think I've seen this one before. This is like a similar kit or the same kit as the blue one, but it's white. This thing's sexy. It's got a different wing, got a little swan neck thing on it. Oh, there's a blue one over there. I like this one a little better than the blue, I ain't gonna lie. Carbon fiber on the wheels too. Where they getting all this money from? Let me know, because I need to do what they doing. All right, this NSX is crazy. Do y'all see the roof scoop on this shit? That thing is hard, and he's got a fat wing. See, this guy knows how to live. This just goes to show and to continue to prove my point that everything needs a fat wing. Everything needs a big wing. This NSX has a freaking shark fin F1 damn roof scoop and a little wide body. Look at that. This thing's crazy. I need Susie to be done. Susie deserves to be shown off. But right now she's all torn apart, so it's not much to be shown. They're playing music, but hopefully y'all can hear me. Here's a little Susie, carbon lip, in this silver color. Oh, I like this side skirt. We need side skirts on Susie ASAP, y'all. If y'all didn't know, I cracked my side skirt, so you can't tell, but you know, it's an eyesore to me. More NSXs. All the NSXs is outside today. This one's hard with the pop-ups. Y'all know I love these wheels. We got this Liberty Walk R35. This thing is freaking player. As y'all see, y'all let me know. Y'all like, I kind of like the way that wing flows with the kit more than that one now that I'm looking at it. And this color is dope. I don't know, this the white one. There's something about the white one that's getting me. Wide body cat, wide body snack. Dang, all the R35s and NSXs out today. Ooh, the Advan GTs, okay. My boy has great taste in wheels. Hold on, man. There's something different about this one though. Bow. Big wing. I don't know why. This is that one that's bow-legged. I don't know why it's like that, but he would just put the wing up a little bit. Maybe it's for performance. I don't know. It's out of my knowledge. This M2 is freaking clean. I don't know about this wing setup though. I like the big wing. I like that he tried for it, but to me it just needs some more girth. You know what I mean? It needs some girth. And I'm not a fan of the duckbill and the wing. I feel like you got to choose one or the other. But that's just me though. Some people like it, some people don't. I still think it's clean though. Liberty Walk cat. This thing is, oh, see, I'm gonna take that a little personal. I don't even have a GTR. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see. He got the meat back there, and he's got the carbon buckets gutted. This thing might be a little too fast for me. He might have earned that badge. Jeez, this might be all the GTRs he's beaten. Wait till I get mine. He gonna have to erase one of them. Here's a C7, and it's a Z06. And a lot of y'all were shitting on me in the comments for saying, how could you not like American muscle cars? How could you call yourself a car guy and not like American muscle cars? I don't not like them. I appreciate them. I just rather have a JDM car over an American muscle car, knowingly that these cars will probably outperform the cars that I like. You know what I'm saying? It's just a preference. It's not that I dislike them. I'd own this car any day. I just want to own it over an R33 or a Supra, knowing that this car will probably shit on it. I still take one any day. This thing is freaking player. I mean, the bright wheels, he's got the Mickey T's. It's an auto though. And if I had one, it'd have to be silver and manual. That shit looks fun, I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, we pretty much walked around most of the show, so I came back to the parking lot to see what gems are in the parking lot, because you never know what's out here. And we found another Susie. So, gotta show love to another Susie. And it's got this wing on it, which I've always had mixed emotions about this wing specifically, but y'all let me know how y'all feel. Floor right here is player. The white on white is clean. I feel like we're gonna have to do a white on white with Susie at some point. And this M4 right here is selling me. I like all the carbon he has up front too. All right, y'all, I don't know who this guy is, but he's got a Stagia and an Evo 3, I think, sitting outside his house. So if you just so happen to be watching this video, sir, hit me up, because I wanna check out that Evo. I'm interested. And if I can't afford it, I at least want to know about the car. I'm pretty interested, I ain't gonna lie. That car is freaking fire. Anyways, y'all, we're almost to my uncle's house right now, and we're gonna check on Susie and get some work done on her, because I miss her and we gotta get this thing done. The neighbors got the yellow bone Susie outside, and here's the real Susie looking good. Looks like Unc's been making a lot of good progress on Susie's booty. So much more work has gone into this than anticipated, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. I'll have him explain everything that he's done and found out and stuff so far.
She already started.
Yeah, all this stuff looks pretty good. Dang, these things really did get chewed up, huh?
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, the cracking? Oh, shit.
Look, if you look behind here.
It's all like super thin?
All this is all thin.
Oh, wow.
All this. So I'm gonna have to fill all of this up with fiber.
Dang, so like, even if he would have like tried to wrap it or any type of pressure, it would have just...
Oh yeah,
it would have just...
cracked. That's too damn thin.
Dang.
If anybody like lean up against it or
Oh yeah, it's
accident
over.
bumping.
Yeah, accident. Like even just a fender bender. This thing is
all
just
this
done
right here,
for.
all this was all weak, so I was like, what the fuck? Let's see, you can see right there. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna touch it until I fill in that.
Yeah, so you strengthen it up.
Yeah.
Dang.
You're not gonna be going like that.
I'm surprised they sent it out like that. Like,
I don't know if the guy damaged it. I can't believe them sending it out like that.
nah, it had to be sent out like that. There's no way that's like damaged.
All this shit.
Yeah, cause that's too like clean of like, you know what I'm saying? Like how it's thin, it's too like clean of a thin line for it to be damaged.
Yeah, because all these nicks and shit here, all this.
Yeah, this might be damaged,
Yeah.
but like this weak spots has to be from like how they sent it out.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it moving now. Like
Yeah.
it's an actual like crack right here.
Yeah. Oh, it's all weak right here. All this.
Yeah, all of
wherever
that
you see the
stuff.
lights is open.
I mean, that's a pretty like prominent area of the bumper that's could possibly, even like if I were to wash the car,
Oh, yeah.
it would just it would crack. All right, y'all, so today we're gonna be taking off this heat shield because we're running into some fitment issues with it on the bumper that we're gonna be putting on. So I don't think we're gonna need this, and it'll just make our lives a lot easier if we take it off. So that'll be the first step today, getting that off, getting it out the way, and finding a home for it. All right, y'all, let's figure out how we gotta take this heat shield off. It's looking like it's just 1, 2, 3 bolts. Don't know what size these are, but we're gonna figure it out right now. Let's see if I can get it. Yep. Easy. We're getting it easy. Uh-oh.
I think it rolled.
Yeah. 1 down, 2 more to go.
There's a bug on your hand.
Huh?
There's a bug on your hand.
There's a bug on my hand.
It left.
Good. So we got all 3 of those off. Let's see if we can wiggle this thing out. Oh, I might have to take off the whole thing. Yep. All right, y'all. Now the heat shield is officially off. It wasn't really that hard. We thought it was gonna be a little bit more complicated than it was, but really it was just these 3 tabs, and then the screw was still stuck through these, so all we had to do was kind of like bend it forward so that the screw would come forward and then slide it out. And now we have all the clearance in the world for the bumper. All right, now so we're going to do another quick little test fit just to make sure we got all the adjustments that we need to make dialed in perfect before we do anything. It's always good to take all the precautions necessary, so you only got to do it once, because doing something twice always sucks ass. What is it?
This piece is keeping it.
That piece?
This piece, this whole piece right here, the plastic
The
piece.
rubber?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off.
Oh.
Because I can't, it's not fitting the flesh. All this chewed up?
Yeah, all that. I remember this had like a fat mole right here. You could kind of see it a little bit.
I put prime so I can see what else is in
Yeah,
there.
all this stuff is super smooth now. I'm so mad that all of these weak spots are here. And the air pocket that was right here, you filled up. There y'all. More complications with this bumper, but it's nothing that my uncle can't handle. If it was me, I would have been. All right, y'all, we're gonna turn on the car just to see what the sensors are talking about, because we might have to drill holes into the front bumper for the sensors, and the front bumper doesn't have any like, what do you call it,
Sensor holes.
like sensor holes already like molded out for us to do it. So I don't know what they thought, so let's see. Saying service due right now.
Let me get put in drive.
Automatic parking sensors malfunction. Reduced driver assistance. Affected systems. Let's see.
Let me shut the door because when you put it in drive,
Trunk open, automatic parking sensors, pedestrian warning, front collision warning, adaptive cruise control. Okay, I know what all that stuff is. So I don't think it's a big deal. What it's telling me it's not gonna do, it's not gonna tell me when cars are flying by, when people are it'll beep or throw up a light, when like there's somebody in my blind spot or there's a thing. And then adaptive cruise control is like cruise control, but it brakes and gasses up for me. So those sensors will tell the car that there's a car up there and all that. And I use it sometimes on long trips, but if I don't have it, it's not a deal breaker.
It'd be annoying with all that shit on your.
Yeah, I mean, I already have a lot of shit on here from like the tires and all that.
Yeah, but you want more than that?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want more than that.
I'll just take care of it. Put those sensors on there.
Yeah, I mean, it'll still be all flush and stuff. Yeah, we could do it. I'm down to do it. So we'll go ahead and he'll throw the sensors on there for me. Man, I miss being in this car. I just want to race somebody right now. Yeah, so the sensors, it'll probably be here or somewhere here.
There's 3 sensors on both sides.
Yeah?
Yeah, so we probably put a sensor here.
Yeah, one there.
And then one here.
One there.
And probably one maybe right there.
Yeah.
We'll mock it up first though.
Yeah, we'll do it. Look at that little guy right there.
So you got 3 sensors here and 3 on the other side.
Yeah. Motherfucker. Yeah. I mean, yeah. And you already have like the outlines, and you did those freaking perfect, so should be no problem with these.
Oh, no.
I gotta stay bro, gotta blip, we catching hella pose. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.